Hello boys and girls, welcome back to a very fresh session of Fundamentum 2025. Yes, this is a VARC introduction session where I am going to introduce myself and this subject as well. So I am a VARC educator and I have been teaching for CAT. This time it's the start. So February we have started the preparation and I want you guys to learn from basic to advanced level. We will reach this period of time within these many months where till November you will be full prepared to give the examination with all the powers that you have in your hand. Yes, powers as I talk of is about verbal ability, quants and LR. So quants and LR will be taken by Rahul, who is on this channel and is a very good educator, and VARC as we speak I will be taking, and from the basic till the advanced level. So verbal ability and reading comprehension holds a very important role in your CAT 2025 examination. Now, as we speak of VA, we know that these subjects as para jumbles, para completion, para summary, all these are very important, and these have been coming from very first of the examination and in the previous years as well. And reading comprehension as we speak is always of advanced level because it is lengthy, it has 6-7 paras, and we need to ace that with the good strategy and with the right strategy and smart efforts, and that we're going to speak on this channel. So we will be having these lives every alternate days. So my live is on Saturday. If you are an aspirant of 2025 CAT, you need to watch that session because we are starting from the very basic. And basic, when I call it, it's from grammar, vocabulary and whatnot. So you have been loving this subject so much from the initial days. And when I call it initial days, I meant your childhood days. So you have been studying English from childhood till now. So you have a grab over it. You just need to polish it a little bit with me. And I will help you with all the strategies, with all the hacks that I can possibly give it to you. Okay, so let's start today's preparation. Everything that we have been seeing over here till the table of content is about verbal ability and reading comprehension. We will be understanding the structure of the VARC section, step-by-step preparation guide, strategy for regular practice, and regular practice should be your mantra of CAT 2025. Books and resources are also very important, which I'll be giving you in the end of this session or the live sessions that I will be taking, and key tips for CAT VARC. It is very important. So these key tips will be held on each live sessions. There will be a particular 5 to 10 minutes dedicated to all the important tips that you actually need for CAT 2025. Okay. I am just running you through all this because this is very important for you to understand that if you are attending a live session, what all you need to see. And today I am going to speak about reading comprehension, which also consists of the passages that has questions testing your ability to comprehend, infer from that passage and analyze the written content, which is important. Verbal ability, this includes questions on grammar. Grammar is very important. Vocabulary is very important because you have to start reading from the very start. And that is why I suggest that you should at least subscribe to any newspaper that you see. Hindustan Times, The Hindu will do good. All of these newspaper actually holds a very good meaning in the preparation of CAT. For example, you can also go on Eon Essays. So Eon Essays is a website particularly dedicated to universal articles. So you get a very mixture, very good mixture and a very good flavor of all the universal acts or articles that you can actually find online. Okay. Sentence correction, para jumbles and odd one out. These two topics, reading comprehension and verbal ability, will be done by the very, what do you say it, from the very start and with a very buttery feeling. When I say a buttery feeling, it should be smooth, okay? It should not be something that is cracking your head and, it is not even getting inside. So when I make you prepare for all these sections, I will make sure that all these subjects hold particular meanings. And I'll also be taking live classes on all these topics individually so that you have no confusions. If you have any confusions, you can directly reach out to me on my Telegram channel, which is linked below, and you can also comment down on this particular session. Okay, with that, I would like to tell you that CAT 2025 is up with 50% off. Plus, there's also 6 months extension on CAT and OMID subscription. So if you are a CAT 2025 aspirant, you need to buy this subscription. These are at 12 plus 2 months extension, which is at this price, and you can also take a screenshot of it. And if you really wish to purchase this with the plan that we have for you guys for VARC, Quants and LR on this channel, I think you will be satisfied with the preparation, with the guidance, with the mentorship that we provide to you. You can use my code Juhi99, which is very easy to remember, and you can publish your dreams out there when you are actually applying for 2 years MBA program. Anything, any questions or any related queries about these program or the Fundamentum classes that we are going to start on Saturday will be welcomed. I will be addressing all these questions in my live session. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to see you on my live session. Thank you so much.